A second novel project utilising the Stebcentres is this three-sided bowl. True the blank to a cylinder using a bowl gouge. Next, true the face. In preparation for mounting in a chuck, make a spigot or recess. Next, mark the centre. We will see the importance of this a little later on. Remove the faceplate ring and remount the wood on the spigot or recess. True up the second face and mark its centre. It is important that both faces are flat and parallel for the Stebcentres to turn the wood accurately. Using a compass, draw a circle on both sides of the blank. The diameter will determine the degree of offset of the final bowl. Next, divide the circle into three. With a square, transfer one mark to the other side. Then divide the circle into three and mark each position with a bradawl. This ensures that the points of the Stebcentres will locate firmly. Number the positions 1, 2 and 3. With a compass, mark the limit of the three sides to be turned. On this bowl, you will note that the sides do not meet, thus giving 3 long and 3 short sides. At the headstock end, fit the Steb drive into your Supernova chuck. You could of course use a standard Stebcentre on a Morse taper and place the revolving Stebcentre in the tailstock. Mount the blank between the centres at position 1 and then advance the tailstock to hold the wood securely. Carefully position the tool rest and move the blank by hand to ensure that it clears. Do remember that only a third of the wood will be turned at each stage. Start the lathe at a fairly modest speed and turn the first side. Take a little care as the tool control is much more difficult with the bevel only rubbing a third of the time. Then repeat this process for positions 2 and 3. Having turned all 3 sides, remove the blank from the chuck and remount on the faceplate ring. Then, turn the back or base of the bowl to the required shape. Next, sand your bowl using an adjustable handheld tool like this Sandmaster. By going through a number of grits of abrasive, you will obtain a very fine finish. Apply a suitable finish like this Danish oil. To complete the bowl, remount it on the chuck and turn the inside in the normal fashion. Now we have an exquisite piece produced by utilising different Stebcentres. Using this same method, you can turn multi-sided bowls, dishes and boxes to your heart's content.